My dear students, welcome to C4Career classes. In the last video of percentages, we have seen how we can use 1 percentages and 10 percentage to find higher percentages in mind without actually using the mathematical formula. So today we are going to use the same technique for some higher numbers. Let's look at 21 percentage. 21 percentage of 500. So how can we write this? 21 percentage we can write as 20 percentage plus 1 percentage. 20 percentage plus 1 percentage. And what is your 20 percentage? You just have to find 10 percentage and double it. You just have to find 10 percentage and double it. If you go by this approach, you can calculate the answer in your mind. 500. What is 10 percentage? 10 percentage is going to be 50. So what is going to be 20 percentage? 50 into 2. 50 into 2, that is 100. And what is 1 percentage? 1 percentage of 500 is, put the decimal after 2 digits, so that is 5. So you'll get the answer as 105. So we have written the steps here, but this is something for you to work in your mind and get the answer. Let's try another number. 650. So how will you get it? 650. 21 percentage of 650. How will you get the answer? So you have to do 20 percentage plus 1 percentage. And what is 20 percentage? We will find 10 percentage and double it. What is 10 percentage? 650, the 10 percentage is 65. So when you double it, you will get it as 130. So you will get it as 130 plus 1 percentage. 1 percentage is going to be, 1% of 650 is going to be 6.5. So you'll get the answer as 136.5. 136.5. Let's look at another percentage. Let's say we have to find 60 percentage of 500. 60 percentage of 500. Now this may be easy with the direct calculation, but let's apply our technique also. 60% of 500, we can write it as 50 percentage plus 10 percentage. 50 percentage plus 10 percentage. So 50 percentage, we learn 50 percentage is half of the number. So that is going to be 250. 50 percentage of 500 is going to be 250. What is 10 percentage? 10 percentage is going to be 50. So you get the answer as 300. You will get the answer as 300. Let's take another number. 60 percentage of 650. 60 percentage of 650. So 50 percentage is going to be half of this, half of this. What is half of this? 600 half is 350, the half is 25. So we'll get it as 325 plus 10 percentage. What is 10 percentage of 650? It is 65. So 325 plus 65, when you add this, you will get it as 320 plus 60 is 380, and this 5 plus 5 will give you 390. So when this is added, you will get the answer as 390. Let's look at another percentage. 51 percentage of 500. 51 percentage of 500. So how can we do this? This is same as 50 percentage plus 1 percentage. 50 percentage plus 1 percentage. What is 50 percent of 500? 250. 1 percentage is 5. So the answer is 255. 255. Similarly, if you take the other number, let's take 650. What is 51 percentage? Half of 650 is 325. 325 plus 1 percentage of 650 is 6.5. So these we have to add. We can add this in our mind. 325 plus 6.5. So we'll get it as 331.5. 331.5. Let's look at another number. 49 percentage of 500. So will you get 49 percentage of 500? It is 50 percentage minus 1 percentage. Same logic we can apply. 50 percentage minus 1 percentage. So 50 percentage will be 250. 1 percentage will be 5. 250 minus 5 will be 245. 245. So for that matter, any number. If you remember in the last part, we have taken an example. We started with 49 percentage of 220. The question was, what is 49 percentage of 220? 20. Now, just calculate in your mind. We have to take 50%. What is 50% of 220? That is going to be 110. And from this, we have to subtract 1%. So, 1% will be 2.2. So, when you subtract 110 minus 2.2, what will you get? You will get the answer as 110 minus 2 is 108. So, 108 and 0.2 has to be subtracted. So, you will get it as 107.8. So, your answer will be 107.8. So, I hope this method is clear to you. So, we have taken some examples, but this method can be expanded to any kind of percentages. We have calculated 49%. We can also calculate 48%. We can calculate 19%. So, just by knowing 1%, 10%, and 50% and also 100%, which is very direct, you can calculate most of the other percentages in your mind by using such a technique. I hope you were able to understand this video. Thank you so much for watching.